Y'all. I know I've been MIA. I know I've been MIA, but wait, she's Glueless. Y'all, I'm coming back. I'm coming back with the tea. Anyways, if y'all want the details on this unit here in my head, make sure you keep watching this video. Hey y'all, first things first, my name's Olineece, and if this is your first time here, make sure you hit those big red letters below and subscribe. If you didn't know, you about to know. Your girl right here. I do Amazon wig reviews on my channel, and I have a lot more wig reviews coming up. Make sure you hit those big red letters and you don't miss out, okay? So of course, here is the unit front and center for you guys. And my favorite part about her, my absolute favorite part. Oof, yes ma'am. Make sure you keep watching. Okay, you guys, so this unit came in this beautiful bag. It's like a little hanger bag for your wig. Sorry, it's so new to me, y'all. I even have the hanger like all still wrapped up. So in the packaging, they give you this beautiful rhinestone headband, you guys. And so then of course they give you like a package of goodies for styling your wig. Okay, you guys, and then finally you get to take your beautiful wig out of their packaging. I've already taken it out. So there was a hairnet on it at first, and I've shook her around a bit, so excuse the way she's looking right now. But this is their unit, fresh out of the pack. She's super shiny, and I must say I'm loving the ends, y'all. Y'all know I go crazy for some great ends. So these are how her ends are looking. She is a 5x6 lace closure. This is one of their newest closures, you guys. So as you can see, she's already pre-plucked in a middle part. Okay, they do have some amazing branding, as I've worked with them in the past with their little shiny wigs on there, just to show you guys that this is their wig. This lace is looking my color. Like, this is actually some of the best lace that I've seen. This is their 5x6 glueless unit, so I can't wait to test that out on my skin. This is what the closure is looking like. It's wider than most closures that you guys usually have seen to allow for the flatness on your head, and obviously this is what the inside of the wig cap is looking like. I'm kind of glad they did not put that little lace band back here, because I always end up cutting it off if I have a closure wig. A lot of people don't even use that. If they do have a closure wig, we just tuck this thing into a low ponytail instead. So this unit also comes with an adjustable band, and so this wig is super versatile, you guys, because as you can see, there are like 3 areas back here actually that you can hook this adjustable band into, depending on how big your head is or how small it is. But I'm not on team small head, so I can't speak for that. But this is what she is looking like, the inside of that wig. Obviously super duper beautiful, you guys. Great hairline, pre-plucked hairline. She already has that pre-plucked effect, kind of. I think the only thing I'm gonna go in there and do is actually bleach the knots. I might pluck a straight part all the way back there, but if you guys are not a great plucker or you don't like plucking for yourself, you honestly don't have to do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and bleach her knots and come right back to you guys with some styling. And okay, you guys, so obviously I did not just go in and pluck the part. Sorry, that was a little fib on my part. I did the whole customization right here, you guys. So I did go in there and bleach the knots, and I left the wig just a little bit damp so I could pluck it. Honestly, love plucking my wig this way. It just takes out more hair and you get to see that hairline better, especially when you're working with a glueless wig. You want your front of the hairline to be well plucked, because you are going to take that lace on and off, but you don't want it to be too thin, because you're still gonna have some type of wig cap under there, so you still want the hair to be able to cover that up. I did use some products while styling this unit. As you guys are going to see all those products, I'm going to try my best to put them in the description box below, just in case you want to get your hands on them. Most of them you can get off Amazon, so if you want to follow this styling tutorial, you totally and completely can. Styling this wig, as far as it being a glueless wig, is pretty easy, you guys. Just know that you're gonna have your best bet with styling it off of your head and then styling it on your head as well. But this is just going to allow for the hair to get super duper flat and look a certain way. That way when you cut the lace, you already know what you're working with. Okay, so this is how I decided to part my wig. It does have enough space if you wanted to go in there and side part it, as I've shown you guys on the lace. But I decided to go with the boring old middle part because, well, that's safe, and was my first glueless wig as far as it being black. So I just went down and styled it the best I could, laying down all those crazy hairs, bleaching the knots, and trying to do everything that I can. Honestly, it's nothing to it, y'all. It's more like a regular wig customization. Like I said, you probably just don't pluck as much as you would pluck. So if you guys are not into plucking, then this wig is most likely for you. I did over bleach those knots, so I'm just going in there with some makeup and covering that up. You guys can use some, what is that stuff called? Oh my god, some root cover up, or you can use like that black spray that everybody uses. If I find it, I'll put it in the description box as well. But I didn't have any of that on hand. I'm actually running out of products, y'all. I need to go to the beauty supply ASAP, because how am I a whole hair YouTuber? Anyways, I was having kind of some fun while doing this, y'all. This wig was beautiful. The hair on it was very high quality, as I've seen. Okay, some of these wigs the hair just be really thin, but this hair had like some heft to it, so I was excited about that. And don't do your edges like this. These are not my edges. These were just to try and cover up that part where the wig blends in. Anyways, I went in and I cut off the lace, and I actually talked for the rest of the video, so I'm gonna let y'all hear what I had to say. Okay, bye. Now that she's styled and all, you guys, you can literally take her off the wig head, okay? And put her on. Oh my gosh. So if you want to, I would suggest putting makeup right here. Other than that, as you guys can see, she is a glueless unit. Pull my cap a little bit forward. So yeah, she's very glueless. Fingers are running through her perfectly. She does not really hold a curl well, but I'm pretty sure they have other textures on their website with this closure. She's pretty snug despite me not having to use this at all. She is still completely glueless, and I didn't even do like the bald cap method. I did go in there and I had to cut off some more lace, obviously, to just make sure that it matched to my head, because when you do a glueless unit, you're gonna have to do as many customizations as you can possible to your head, because you want it to look the most natural. I do recommend that you guys go in with some powder and just define your part. That's really going to help this part match with your skin on your forehead. That's about it, you guys. If you want the link to this unit, it'll definitely be in the description box below, so make sure you check down there for that. If you guys like this unit and like just the styling tutorial on it, just make sure to give me a big thumbs up on your way out, and make sure you hit those big red letters below and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you guys as subscribers or watchers on my next video. Bye. Sleep in your bed.